Welcome to Alaylas with. Today we are going to be making a lava slime video. And as you know, you might know these people from my Japanese 2 video when we were doing those. This is Blythe and this is Lake. Hi. And you should see the first one of these first and then go to the next one. And then to the next one and then to the other one. Now let's get to the video.
Take some of the box.
Okay. So and just so you know, we already looked.
Okay. Let's see. We are making lava slides.
So
Take all the ingredients out.
So first we have this kind of sand. That's not.
Take all the ingredients out first.
And there's also
Like, we have a dinosaur.
Yes, we have dinosaur toys for some reason.
And
Put
no, to put in the
They
side.
already gave us
Put that to the side for now.
They already gave us.
And then like a package of sand. I think we're gonna need the glue first because I remember.
So the instructions say fill a disposable cup. You got the cup with this. No, you need that black dab. With 50 milliliters of
The warm water.
No, is that it?
Yeah.
Okay, pour it here. Let me see. Let me pour water in there for you.
So Mr. Lewis is helping us.
Mr. Lewis.
With the 2 dinosaurs. Yeah, this is what. Wait, let me show one. One dinosaur. The other dinosaur.
Let me do it.
No, his name is Lewis Donnelly, and my name's Alayla Alexander Donnelly.
It looks so cool. It's so cool.
My mom's name ever since she was a baby is Amanika Pendleton.
Donnelly.
No, her last name wasn't Donnelly when she was little.
I know, she just changed it. And I think all of
So this is 30 and you 50. So you're gonna pour 30 into that cup.
Mister.
So then you need 20 more. So pour 20 in.
Hey, can I?
Yeah.
They already gave us.
I want to pour it in.
But now we don't.
Pour
Now we
another
have
20 in.
You can do it.
No, I want to pour.
I know.
I'll do that.
And next is Lake's turn. Don't forget about Lake in
The
the
whole
corner.
thing?
She is a part of this video. She is a part of this video. Now, Lakey.
Ow! Why are you touching the
car?
elephant?
Now you need to put 1/3 of the glue into.
Lakey, look at you. In a separate bowl.
Wait. Hold on, skip something. You need to scoop out 1 level spoonful of sodium. Here. So give me the spoon.
I don't know how this.
Here, I don't want you to cut. Let me see.
Here's the spoon. Pour it on.
I don't know.
In here. Do we put it in
Pour
here?
it in there.
In there? In the water?
Yep.
That's
Pour it into the water.
Do I mix it? I'm gonna mix it up.
Stir it up.
Hey! That was supposed to be Lake's turn. And then my turn and then your turn. Because you're doing like all of it.
You get to do the next one, or Lake can do the next one. So set that aside.
And then it's my turn because I only got one turn.
Now you're gonna pour. Take the spoons out the other cup,
Pick up the.
and now you're gonna pour another.
This.
You're gonna put 45 milliliters of water here. So you're gonna put 30 in. This is 30.
So we're not gonna
So
put
pour,
it in here.
Set that. We're gonna use that later. So pour that in there.
Put that in here.
At this one. Yeah.
Okay, you see it.
I like
Then you
this
need another
one.
15. So what's
Roar.
30? What's 30 plus 15?
30 plus 15.
55.
No.
45.
Right.
45.
Yeah.
It's the easiest thing.
I thought you said 40.
No, I said 30. Okay, pour that in there too.
There's a dinosaur.
Pour this in here.
Yep.
Crap.
Where's the glue? Let me see it.
Glue.
Now can I pour? Can I do
turn.
it?
No, it's
Wait,
my
wait,
turn.
wait.
like you always do all the work. She did it 4 times.
4 times?
Yeah, you did it 4. You have done it 4 times.
I did it once.
Yeah. I'm gonna do some. I will do half, and then Lakes does that other half.
And then
It makes it even.
Squeeze some glue in there. I'll tell you when to stop. Just squeeze it.
Go. So slow. She gonna get some toys.
Well, she gonna go get some toys.
Should I mix it up a little?
Yeah, you will. Not yet. Hold on.
I'm supposed to
My
do
favorite
it.
part. No, I want to squeeze it in.
Here, squeeze a little more in there.
No, I'm
Actually,
supposed to.
she does, because I want to mix.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
I didn't get to pour a
That's
lot.
enough.
This
Now
is
start.
how I do
No,
No, I
but
get.
not that one. Not this one.
Could I?
On the white side.
Could I do it?
But
Let Layla stir it up a little, then Lake do it. So you can do the next one. So stir it
Now
up.
this is taking a twist.
Stir it.
with
Stir
the
it good.
I like it. That's good enough.
And let Lake
Now
do
it's
it.
like some. Okay. Hey, where's the other
this looks like milk.
How? Oh,
it's a good
Here,
way to
this
trick
is what you
them.
get to do.
Yeah.
You get to pour some of this in. Actually, all 3 of them. You get to pour a little bit. You get to pour a
I get
little
to
bit.
pour them girls. Because I didn't get to.
No.
Yeah.
You got more turns than all of us.
Now you guys got more turns than me. That's what I'm saying.
That was
Look,
my
Yeah.
turn.
everybody's gonna pour
No,
this in.
you got 4 turns. That was my
Here.
second
Yeah, and
turn.
now
Pour a
that
little
was your third.
Here you go.
And that was my second
Pour some in
turn.
there.
That enough?
Pour a little more in. All right, give it to Layla.
What?
You pour some in.
And put it. Because that's like really hard. I'm telling you, that's really hard.
And let pour it in. Pour it
All
in.
the rest?
Pour it all in.
What?
Well, I should pour it in more. Stir it up.
You never told us to. Can I stir it up?
That's me.
Everybody take turns stirring it up. You stir it
Now
up
it's
to
my
Layla.
turn.
Give it to Layla.
Oh, so fun. It's turning into lava slime. Wait, I forgot to pour all of it.
My turn.
At the bottom, it looks like lava.
You guys gotta get it good.
Yeah, she gets the longest turn because she's last. I want to be last. Oh, at the bottom, it's blood.
Guys, it looks like a slushy. Look at that.
It looks like blood.
So guys, so there's dinosaurs at
Here.
the start.
Now, you done
Look
stirring it up?
at that. It's amazing.
Now,
Next is my turn.
okay, pour all that in the big bowl.
Okay.
I'm a lady.
Lauren is.
I
Put
want
the sand in there too.
Sand.
Like,
See, look at that. It looks just like
come on.
a
It looks like blood.
a slushy dripping. See, it's hard.
Chunky.
It's hard like a slushy. That means
Can
it's
I stir it in the big bowl?
Like, you can pour it in that. Pour now. You get this cup, like enter that other cup,
okay.
Just
and
a
let
minute, I'm gonna be right back.
Pour it in.
And pour this water in.
pour it in.
Pour it in, and then like gets to mix it.
Pour it into here.
Yes. Yes.
No, I want Lake to do it.
No.
I wanna
Layla. No,
How
Layla.
about you pour it in,
Wait,
and
I'll
you
pour it.
pour it in,
I'll
Lake,
pour it.
and then everybody can
So
stir it up.
anyways, I like it.
All right, everybody, get a
Get the
spoon.
You get a
Everybody
spoon.
here.
Where's the other spoon?
Here.
Here. There's a,
Oh, never
go
mind.
ahead. Stir it all up.
Teamwork.
And now it's gonna turn into slime because you forgot. Oh, it's on my shoe.
No, it's not going to turn into slime yet.
Supposed to. I'm not turning the slime.
No.
That's because you're supposed to use that little thingy. Remember that makes the slime that.
Hold on, wait.
She-
Keep spinning.
He put that in.
Oh, no,
You know
we
what?
didn't.
He didn't
No.
put enough glue.
Hold on for a
Glue
second.
makes it
Yeah.
slime.
Put some more glue in.
Oh wow, at this point.
Keep mixing. Keep mixing, you guys. Keep
doing it.
mixing. Just keep doing it. But turn into slime, so just keep doing it. Keep doing it. Never stop.
It's not getting any orange.
It's
getting
not
a
pink orange.
Well, can I keep it?
Keep stirring.
See, I told you he didn't put that in.
Yeah.
That's
You
what
did
makes
some
it.
of it. Pour all the glue in there.
Okay.
Keep
Ew,
stirring.
disgusting.
Okay.
It's guts.
How do you
I
do
know.
that?
Help me now.
There we go. Ready? Guys might not want to do this. Ready? Watch out. Here comes the chunk. Stop, Layla. Cause you gotta mix that up.
Oh, wow.
It's so hard. I need to be close.
Oh, you got it on me.
Because you guys are going too wild. Like, calm down. It's just glue.
Oh, it's turning into slime.
But it's so glue. He did not put enough glue.
Ugh.
I know. I think I put it too much.
No, that's fine. Keep putting it in.
Keep.
Get the sand mixed in there too.
Can I go in with my hands now? Cause it's getting,
Not yet.
Not yet. Because we need a lot.
Now actually, it's
Oh,
gray.
it's so long, guys. This is
All right,
glue.
that's enough glue.
Okay.
Now can I use my hands?
Let's stir the rest up. Use your hand.
There we
Oh,
go.
hands. Yeah.
Here you
Use
go.
your hands,
Oh,
Layla.
sorry. Here's some glue for your hands. Alright, watch out. Watch out. Let me
Wait,
look in.
take the spoon
Take
out.
the spoon out. Well, it's really, it does not feel good. my
I don't-
friends. It just feels like sand, my friends.
Your hands
And glue. It's just glue and sand.
Mix the dinosaurs. You gotta put the dinosaurs.
Oh, the dinosaurs are burnt.
The dinosaurs aren't gonna make it though. Gonna make it slime.
It's
This is
tinier.
Not, this
Put
is,
in more glue because it's tiny.
That's all the glue, I think.
Yup. I think there's not enough
Something's
sand.
wrong. Something's wrong.
Is there paper towel?
I can just put it out.
There's barely any
This
sand.
Here,
slime
pour this
is
in.
so nasty.
At least it's gone.
It's only glue, guys. It's just glue.
Now it's turning into.
It's only glue.
It's bad slime.
It's very
Don't
bad
buy this
slime.
kind. It's bad.
It's the worst slime.
It doesn't.
It does
work.
not work.
Oh, I got one thing right.
If you have
Can I have
a...
it? Can I try? There. It's actually getting there.
No, it's not. Hurry up. Go get a paper towel. Hurry.
It
Go
don't
get a
need
paper towel, Mr. Lewis.
Keep mixing it up.
You guys
need a
can
bigger
get-
bowl, 'cause
my
I
hands are dripping. This is the worst slime ever, guys. I swear to
No,
God.
the dinosaurs
If
can
you
walk
already
in.
buy
The
this-
dinosaurs are supposed to walk in it.
Oh, they're supposed to walk. Hurry! It's the worst. It's the worst slime ever, guys. I'm telling you it right now. It is the worst.
It ends up looking like
Never buy it. Never
Just
buy it. If you
big
just
one.
watched this video, don't buy it. App Store, if you're watching this video, don't buy it. Even if you're in the slime section, you see it, you want it, you really, really want it, don't. The worst thing ever. Cause to see this, all the sand, stickiness, you gotta put it in a whole bowl.
Can I
This
keep
should be a
it?
little bit
No, I don't need more water.
Yeah, water.
It
Put
don't
in
need-
some more. Thanks. That's gonna make it too watery. Thanks.
Well, guess
'cause
what?
I just want my hands dirty. What's supposed to be stretchy?
It's not. Okay,
Yeah.
how about we start mixing it with our spoons?
Yeah, no, my
Because the
hands.
spoons are
Somebody
easy.
give me a napkin.
This works.
Grab one.
Yeah, there's.
Look at my hands. I've been working hard.
I'm the one who didn't get to actually mess with
You got a spoon stuck to your arm, man.
still.
It's a what?
Oh
Layla.
my gosh, this is the worst. You want to see this? Look at that.
Ew.
Just look, stop.
Looks like brains.
Just look at that. Yes, it looks like unread brain.
It looks like something that a zombie
Ow,
would eat.
stop. I'm still mixing. You guys
Okay,
mix
so let's wrap it up.
Click that side button. Turn on the notification
Subscribe.
game. Huge thumbs up.
But
Bye, guys.
Bye, but
And
subscribe.
hit the bell. Hit the bell.
Hit the
Anything
bell.
else?
Subscribe. Have a good time.
And never make this slime.
Never. Ever like it? Watching at the store.
And comment down below if you're gonna watch the movie Nutcracker soon.
We are. We're
watching it
gonna
on
watch it
Sunday
tomorrow.
with
So we might do a vlog on that day, but I hope we do.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
The worst
Hate
thing
this
ever.
one. The worst ring ever.